Looking for a kitchen scale without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best kitchen scales under $70, ranked. Number 5 is the Ultrian Digital Kitchen Scale, an incredible value at just $6. It boasts over 21,000 reviews and gives you 6 units, even milk volume, though its weighing platform is a bit smaller. This slim stainless steel scale is a fantastic budget pick. Coming in at number 4 for $13 is the Etex City Food Kitchen Scale. This compact and easy-to-clean scale is the most reviewed pick on our list, with over 175,000 reviews, and it's precise to the gram. It's a truly popular choice for a reason. Our number 3 spot goes to the Greater Goods High Capacity Scale, priced at $24. This scale is perfect for bulk cooking, with its big 22-pound capacity and a high-def display that extends beyond the platform so you can read it under big bowls. Plus, it's backed by an amazing 5-year warranty. At number 2, for $25, we have the Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. This scale is known for its simple, durable, 2-button operation and a sealed panel that shrugs off spills, making it super practical. It even comes in fun colors and has a lifetime warranty. And our number 1 pick, the best overall, is the OXO Good Grips 11 pounds kitchen scale at $64. This is our highest rated pick at 4.8 stars, featuring a clever pull-out display for big bowls and a removable platform for easy cleaning. While it's the priciest on our list, its thoughtful design makes it worth it. So there you have it, our top 5 kitchen scales under $70. The OXO Good Grips 11 pounds kitchen scale really shines as our best overall pick. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.